Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the exact Alight Motion project you want to share, then tap the three-dot menu to access export controls. Once there, choose Export Project or Share Project and make sure XML or Project Package Export is selected. This preserves layers and keyframes. You do this because XML is readable by other editors and keeps structure intact. After selecting XML, name the file clearly and pick Export to Device or Share. This creates the linkable file you'll upload or send next. Once the XML file is saved, upload it to a cloud service such as Google Drive or Dropbox so you can generate a shareable link. When you upload, place the file in a clearly named folder and wait for the upload to finish. This avoids partial files. Then change the file's permissions to anyone with the link can view or download. This ensures recipients can import it. Finally, copy the generated link. That link is what you will paste into messages, profiles, or project descriptions. Now paste the cloud link into your chosen channel, chat, social post, or project notes, and tell recipients how to import. Download the XML to their device, open Alight Motion, go to Projects Import, and select the XML file. Make sure they import rather than open as a video to preserve editable elements. If anyone reports import errors, ask them to re-download the file and confirm file size. If problems persist, re-export from your project with full export settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.